Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, and today we are going to do a Charlotte Tilbury look. That is she did a look, it was called the Dolce Vita palette. Look how gorgeous these colors are. Oh my gosh. Which now I believe they've called it the Bella palette. They've changed the name. Anyways, so this is Olivia Culpo and Charlotte Tilbury. How gorgeous is she? And we're gonna do this makeup look that she did on her. And all the products I'm showing you today are Charlotte Tilbury. If you don't know about Charlotte Tilbury now, first of all, they are now carrying Charlotte Tilbury at Sephora, but in the past, I was only able to get it at Nordstrom. So this is, and of course her website. So without further ado, I'm gonna get started. Now I've already done my foundation and eyebrows, but so what she has, let me start with this. So she has, it's called the Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder. Now this is like the sample size. It's a powder, and this is what you would do after you put on your foundation to set. You'd set your foundation with this, and it's great. I approve of this, love it so much. All the products I love. There's only one that I don't love, and you're gonna see why in a minute. So first of all, with this palette, the Dolce Vita palette, we're gonna start with the light color right here, and we're gonna just put that all over the eyelid like this. You just put it all over. It just sets the look. It goes, and especially under the eyebrows right here, you just put it all over your eyes, just like that. Okay, so we started with that. Moving on, the next thing you do is take this ruddy brown color right here. Oh, it's gorgeous. And to see Olivia Culpo put it on, it's so amazing. So you just take that and you're gonna put that in your crease, just like this. And look at how pigmented it is already. I love it so much. So put that in the crease just like this, but you're also gonna put it in the outer V. So I'm gonna take a smaller brush here. This is my Morphe 507, and I'm gonna put it in the V. So right here in this outer V, put it right there. And I've got a little fallout, but don't worry, I'll fix all that later. But it's very pigmented, and I love it for that reason. And then you're also gonna take that same color and put it under your eyes, just like that. Oh, look at that, look at that. It's like a smoky eye. Love it so much, and it's so pigmented, you really don't need that much product. And that's it, look at that. I love that so much. Okay, I'm gonna fix this really quick. With the, hold on, Tarte Shape Tape, our found sealer. I'm just gonna put a little bit on there because that's gonna drive me absolutely crazy. So I'm just gonna put a little bit, look at that. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, fallout, gone. And it takes care of those dark circles under your eyes too. So there you go. Fix that right there, just like that. Okay, continuing on. Then you take this smoky brown color and you add that to your bottom lash. So that's the darkest color here, the dark one here, and add that to the bottom. And it'll be like a liner as well. Just makes it a little more defined. Like that. Look at that, gorgeous. Love that so much. Then you take this with your finger, mind you, she did it with her finger, this like golden brown or golden, well, just like golden rust color. And you just take that and you put that all over your lid like that. It just goes right on top of that brown color. Love that so much. Just put it right on top of there, and it gives it like a sparkly shine to it. Little sparkly. Yes, please, love that so much. Then, moving on, you know how I love contour. So this is her Filmstar Bronze and Glow Contour. And it's got the dark shade here, and, oh, let me back up. The dark shade here and the lighter shade here. So this is your bronze and highlight. So I'm gonna take the bronzer and follow the hollow, just like she says. Follow the hollow, and then you make your three, like this. Now, if you have never bought anything by Charlotte Tilbury, it's expensive, but let me tell you what, it's worth it. Bring it down your neck, just like that. And then we're gonna do the highlight with a fan brush. Take that highlight color, that lighter color, and you just put that right there. Right there, love that. Oh, look at that, gorgeous. Down the middle of your nose. A little bit on the chin, and then I like to go on the sides now. It's kind of my new thing. there. Okay, there's the highlight. Now this is the one thing, I believe she has a darker version of this. This is her Fall Face and Sculpt. This is fair medium. Okay, if there's one thing I would do differently, I would buy not the fair medium, I would buy the darker. So with that in mind, check this out. Of course, I have to pull out my Benefit Hoola bronzer. Look at the difference. Hello. Oh yeah. So definitely, just to prove my point, definitely I would get the darker version of her highlighter. Okay, so moving on. This product here. Okay, this is her Wonder Glow. So Wonder Glow, love this. This is what you put on first. It's almost like matte Max primerizer, I think that is what it is. Put this on first. It gives you, I already put it on before I did my makeup, but this gives you like a shiny sheen. It's beautiful. I love it so much. Then moving on, I didn't put this on today because I'm not going for this look, but this is kind of a liquid eyeshadow. I love this eyeshadow so much. It's like this golden brown color. It's Eyes to Mesmerize in Bette, B-E-T-T-E, like Bette Midler, Bette. Love that so much. Run, don't walk. If you got one thing, I would get this. It's so great. I love this so much. Okay, then moving on to the lips. So, I do want to show you before I move on to the lips, actually. I have two eyeliners from her. This is her Color Chameleon Bronzed Garnet for green eyes. And it is the most gorgeous color. Look at that color. It's like this bronze color. I use this for eyeliner a lot. And then the other one, same thing. But this color, this is a Color Chameleon Champagne Diamond. So I'm going to show you what I do with this. So Champagne Diamonds, it's like a champagne color. I put this right in my inner corner. And it just really brightens the eyes. Love it so much. So put that. Love those two eyeliners. They're great. Okay, moving on to lips. So her Lip Cheat pencil, this one I have in Iconic Nude. And this, I'm just going to put this on right now. Her lip products are actually amazing. I'm going to go a little over my lips to make them look a little bigger. And I go a little lower than my lower line. Okay, love that so much. Then her famous, I love this so much. This is her Penelope Pink lipstick. Penelope Pink, and it's just like this amazing, she's like, it's good on all skin types. Penelope Pink, and it's after Penelope Cruz, inspired by Penelope Cruz. Love it so much. Look how gorgeous that is. I love that color. Okay, love it. Then I'm at Nordstrom shopping, and these gals come up. They're these really cool gals, and they're like, yeah, we need the collagen lip bath, and they leave. I'm like, what's the collagen lip bath? So this is the collagen lip bath. It's like this is the packaging, but I'll show you the actual. So they said it plumps up your lips. I don't know if it works or not, but I just love it. It goes on it goes on clear. It's got this great little wand. It's like this heart-shaped wand, and it goes on clear, it's like minty, shiny, glossy. Oh, yes, please. I love this so much. So get this. Definitely, I recommend this. It's so minty and great. And then last but not least, I want to show you one other palette of hers. I love all her palettes. But this one is called the Golden Goddess. Now she did this for Jennifer Aniston. Go and watch Charlotte Tilbury. Subscribe to her channel, subscribe to my channel. But this Golden Goddess, now it looks very similar to the Dolce Vita, but it's not. This is kind of more pigmented. This is like more, maybe lighter. Maybe this would be more for daytime, and then this would be more for nighttime. But I'm gonna list everything down below, don't worry. And I'm going to finish with her Legendary Lashes. So this is her Legendary Lashes mascara. Now I've already curled my eyelashes, but let me tell you something. This thing has a punch to it. Look at that brush, like, yes, please. This mascara is amazing. It's very dramatic, but it's so great. Look at this. I love this mascara so much. definitely would recommend her because I'm crazy about mascara. Like, if I don't like the mascara, I am not gonna tell you to get this mascara, but I love this mascara. It's a little more, I would say a little more for nighttime than daytime, but there you go. There you go, guys. Charlotte Tilbury, 100% recommend everything. Love her, love all her products. It's at Sephora now, or Nordstrom, or wherever you can get it in your area. But I'm just so excited that Sephora carries it now because I absolutely love it. I've been wanting to share this with you. So if you don't know about Charlotte Tilbury and you haven't used it, go buy, at the very least, buy one of her palettes. Have fun with it. And until next time, have a blessed day. Love y'all. Bye.